the next winner, Patrizia Trovalusci.
I am pleasant and honored to receive this award and to have been invited to this conference and for the symposium that is dedicated to my activity. I want to share this moment with all of you, of course my husband and my special guest, that is a very important speaker, Adnan Ibrahimbegovic from France.
I know. He was the most important speaker in your symposium. Yes. So she, I don't know well Professor Trovalusci, but she, as a woman, she is the busiest person in the world. She doesn't have even time to breathe. So if you communicate, oh, too busy. That's true, huh?
It's a difficult time for me.
So
my name is Trovalusci. Trovalusci is very difficult pronunciation, and the translation in English is fine doors.
Fine?
Doors.
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 So I thought it was fine time.
No?
Fine time.
Doors.
You know, I'm joking. So I thought it was fine time. Fine time you don't have. No, she's always busy, always.
I accept your suggestion because it is very important for my life to find time to laugh, to live.
Wait.
Thank you very much.
So she doesn't. Your name in it. And these are the rarest women that we have as an awardee. Unfortunately, we're trying to push to have more women, because actually I don't think we can find women that have a little bit time free like her. Here, give it just for the record. No, you keep it there. Congratulations again. That's it. Oh. Try to do it again. It was vice versa. Do it again. I didn't see it. Okay. Congratulations. And this is Patrizia Trovalusci. Even when at this age, she didn't have enough time. Look, your position here was Vice Rector for International Development at this time, because that's her position now. She started from that time. Dance in the 60s, when you were 60 years old? You were still vice rector at the time? You were vice rector at the time? This is now. What about the rector? Does the rector consider this waste of time?